How to match price at Walmart. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. Today on this tutorial video I will show you guys how you can match price at Walmart. So let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure that you have a very stable internet connection on your device. In order to match price at Walmart, you can use the Walmart application itself, or you can also use the website. For this video I'll be using website. So let's hop into the Safari, and as you can see I am already on the official page of Walmart. Now in order to match the price at Walmart, simply search for the item you want to do it. Let's say I will search for the iPhone 14. Now after searching here, you will see different price ranges for the mobiles. So in order to match the price, swipe to the right until you see this price button. Click on it. Now you can slide the slider to your expected range and click on view results option. So that's all. In this very simple way you can match price at Walmart. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.